everyone, JaLingo's expression of the week is "Wheel and come again." This means to rewind. This expression comes from patrons at a party asking the DJ to replay their favorite song. This can also be used in disbelief when asking someone to repeat what they said earlier. Examples of this expression include, "Hold on there, wheel and come again." This means hang on a sec, repeat what you just said. It can also be used in a situation such as this. "Wheel and come again." You mean to tell me say Kevin, I link John girl behind him back? I don't believe that. And this means, hold on, rewind. Are you telling me that Kevin is dating John's girlfriend and he doesn't know? That is unbelievable. Related words include pause and repeat. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.